Mommy want you to come over again for dinner. What you say, up to it?
Of course. Just the fact seeing mother love me is you don't even know how much it means to me.
More than love you. Can't stop talking about pretty A's and oh, you have a get pretty grandpitney. I saw a shaver there on grandpitney this grandpitney that.
By the way, I really like these earrings that you sent to me. They're really nice. Thanks. But you didn't have to leave it at the doorstep.
What? I never buy any earrings for you.
I thought you bought these earrings for me. That's weird. Someone left these earrings in front of my door. I guess the person left the earrings them at the wrong address, I guess.
Don't worry your head about it, man. It's probably a mistake. These things happen sometimes, especially when people, like, buy things off of the internet.
My God, Jermaine, what happened to your face? Oh, dog, just what you want? What do you want to see me for? I need to talk to you about Diana's money. Listen, me pay you back, alright? I needed the money for buy grocery and things. Couldn't have my sister in the house to stop. Is it really that bad? I don't know whether the money enough from you come down here. It's like him even more vexed than ever. Something just wrong with the man. You know, if you want me to help you, I can talk to my dad. Say a word, man. Me give sister back our money, okay? Diana, everything
No bother with
alright?
it in a junior. Why you sending gifts to my house?
What the hell you talk about? I'm gonna send a gift to your house. So I say a greet morning at the morning. You not even say good morning. You just come and accost me.
I know it was you, Junior. I know you're the one who sent these earrings. Stop doing this, alright? Stop trying to ruin.
Yo, you need to relax in the man, first of all.
Don't tell me to relax. You've been trying to ruin my relationship with Hardeep. Why would you send me earrings? This don't make no sense. Are you that pathetic?
Really, Diana?
You know what? I'm not in a bag of talking with you. Later.
Diana.
Alright, I'm set up a reservation for the restaurant.
Alright, good. Oliver gone on a good date with Susie. So it gives me and you alone time when we come back too.
What you say? More time for me and you for make a baby?
I never said nothing about baby, you know. It ain't easy, you know.
Yeah, hello? Hi, mommy. Yeah, mom, alright, mama, they're here. Just, chill. How's everything? Yeah? No, man. No, mommy, alright, man. Yeah, everything good. Oh, you send the thing? Alright. Okay, I'll pick it up soon. Thanks a lot, alright, mommy? Yeah, we talk about this.
Jermaine, I'm really hungry, and Daddy didn't cook anything today.
Listen, don't worry about it, you know. I'll go buy some KFC for me and you.
Really? A long time I didn't have KFC now. Thanks, Jermaine. Thanks so much for buying me KFC, Jermaine. I really appreciate it. Uncle Oliver, Hi.
Hey, Ava, what's up? You okay? Dad said he has a present for you that he wants me to give to you. I'll give it to you later.
Really, why me can't get it now?
It's a surprise, Ava. You just have to wait.
Oh, okay, me wait upon it then.
You know, Jeremy, you don't have to take money from my sister. I mean, if you wanted help, you could have just asked me and I would have helped you. I mean, all I had to do was call my dad and he would have sent me extra money to give to you and Ava. You don't have to take from us. Deanna's really upset about what happened too. So you really got to tell her, say, I'm take our money, dog. Really? Like, why would you go tell her that from a taste and I'll give you what the money? No, I didn't tell her you took the money. I'm saying she's upset that the money is gone. She was saving up for something. That's what I mean. I didn't tell her. Hold on there. Who that girl you at par with? Oh, that's Susie. She's my friend from school. Brought her out to get her something to eat. So I say, yeah, go on, dog. Never expect you would have two women. Well, I guess the Anthony jeans can't miss our nice looking girls still. Next time bring her somewhere better than KFC.
You want to taste that place? It's nice. My sister recommended it for me.
Yeah, man, it's really nice. And the food tastes good too.
Yeah, the atmosphere nice too. There now, on a big man level too, more talk to you about something. So you yeah said no, I'm not even tell you what I want to talk about yet.
Cause me know a baby I gotta talk about.
Yeah, I still don't understand why you don't want to give me a baby.
Not ready for that yet, Hardeep. I'ma tell you that already. I don't want a baby right now. It's too much work and too much responsibility. I mean, shouldn't we focus on us first before we think about a baby?
So I already said when we get married, you don't have to do anything. You have to take over my father business, and you can still want to take care of the kids.
I don't... Hold on, I have to use the bathroom. What do you want? Why are you calling me?
Oh, mind, did I run by you? I want to check if you're alright. That's why I'm call you.
No, Junior, you can't keep on and do this, alright? I'm engaged.
So you tell me say not once you don't think about me at all.
No, Junior, I don't think about you at all.
I know all I hear too. I know me always step on your mind, Diana. I know you miss the way how I feel when we inside of you. I know that you didn't make you feel good like how me make you feel. Fuck, say not even I say nothing right now. Let me know say you think about it hard, don't it?
I'll lock the door behind me. Now we'll have a look of fun.
You know, I know that something's up with the two of Honor. Only been so busy lately.
Here we go with the paranoid shit again. Star, give it a rest now, man.
You must think sent me born yesterday. Shauna, I know something's going on between you and this one right here that don't like to speak. But tell me now, what the two of Honor been up to?
My god, you're so self-centered. If the world don't evolve around you, you lose your shit. Get over yourself, Star. We haven't been up to anything. We've been busy with schoolwork. Like, don't you have your own life? Stop worrying about what me and Sydney's doing.
You know what, Shauna? Don't worry. I have my ways to finding out what's going on. Trust me. I'll figure out what I'm up to.
Damien, do you do anything else besides read all the time? I mean, you're not bored. Why not come play some football with me? Eh? Hello, are you meant to talk to you, Damien? Trying to bring you out of your shell so you can be less antisocial and actually talk to people in this school? Come on, Damien.
Susie, I talk to people in this school and trust me, I'd rather sit down here and read this book. But thanks for your invitation. Besides, I'm not really good at sports anyways. Never have been. I like reading in my spare time, like this book is just something to enjoy. Not really something serious or anything to do with schoolwork. Just, call it mindless reading for now. I don't get a lot of free time to read at home, so I use all the time I can.
Alright, I'll leave you alone, make you read. But if you want to play with me, just for fun, you can. Bye, Damien.
Well, how going, Oliver? We didn't have a long chatting or anything, but I just wanted to... I wanted to know if Diana alright. Like, how wanna doing overall?
Yeah, we're okay. I mean, Diana asked for you a couple times. She was wondering if you were okay. But you don't answer my text, so I didn't want to bother you. I'm actually really concerned about you all the time. So it would be nice if you kind of replied, I mean, if you don't want to talk, that's fine, just...
But our no smell is alright, okay?
How long is this gonna be going on with the two of Una? Don't you think it's weird that you and Junior are in a relationship after me and Anthony have been married? I mean, Una not thinking about Una siblings. You want Oliver and Antiva to grow up with people talking about their brother and sister being in a relationship? I mean, it's not like anybody's gonna try and guess that Uni's not related by blood. Don't you find it to be a bit odd? I think it's best interest for everybody if the two of them just stop talking.
Diana, you okay? Diana. What's wrong with you? What you ignoring me for? Why you not talk to me, Diana? What happened?
Sorry, Junior, but this is not going to work out. I'm going back to Jamaica. I just don't feel happy here. I don't want to stay here, and you want to stay here, so I don't want to stop you from doing what you need to do, okay?
I think you did change your mind. Why you want to leave?
Going back home, Junior.
What, Diana?
Hey, sleepyhead, Falk one. You're not worried about nothing, I'm cooked in a fair and everything, so you can't rest out a bit. And don't worry, I'm not pray about today. If you want to wait till I have kids, that's fine. Not bother you about it anymore, alright?
Shane, long time no see. I was wondering what happened to you. Why you stopped visiting us? Hope you're doing well. How's everything? Oliver's not here right now. You've gone out with Susie again. If you want to stay with us, that's fine.
As long as it's alright with you, Dan, I don't have no problem staying for dinner. I really appreciate it. Thanks for always being so nice to me.
Babes, this is Oliver's friend, O'Shane. He's gonna stay with us for dinner. He's already finished, O'Shane, but you can sit down for a while I dish out your food for you.